Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Bankramp review. This is a new Clickbank product by Jamie Lewis and Matt Sabian. You might have found it in your inbox and wondered, what's it all about? Is it worth my money? Is it worth my time? I'm going to get into that here in just a minute. I'm going to give you a walkthrough. But if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews like this just to let you make an informed buying decision. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the Bankramp review. This came out on February 28, 2019. So it's a brand new Clickbank product. First of all, what is Bankramp? These are a couple statements from the sales video. Start an online retail store with no inventory and very little money. WizKid makes $83,000 with Shopify in the first month. So it's a training course on how to dropship on eBay, Shopify, and Amazon. And again, it's a product by Jamie Lewis. He's made millions of dollars online, and Matt Sabian has done very well on Shopify. He's made millions on Shopify. The basic cost is $37. Then you'll have two upsells. The first one is high elite converting campaigns. That's $189, and they're just going to give you all their campaigns, the products, sales, and everything, so you can duplicate what they've done. Upsell number 2 is unlimited Bankramp masterclasses with Matt and Jamie. With the basic $37, you get one webinar with them, but this upsell number 2 for $239, you're going to get unlimited masterclasses with them. So let's go ahead. We're going to go through just a little walkthrough here of what Bankramp looks like, what's all in it. Of course, you're going to have a welcome video from Jamie, and then you're going to have some tutorials here on Bankramp, how to use what's inside here. And this one right here is how to set up Shopify. He shows you how to set it up, how to get your logo, how to load the products into there. And he said it's very easy to do, like within 10 minutes you can have your Shopify store set up. This one here, he shows you how to get free traffic on Instagram to your products. And then of course you can register for this accelerated coaching program here with Matt Sabian. Okay, and then they have some software here to help you find your products, which is great because it's going to save you a lot of time as far as researching products. Because if you've ever done drop shipping before, that's a very time-consuming thing, is to find products that are actually profitable. So I've been just kind of playing around with this. One of the things I searched was cat scratching tower. I know that's something that I've sold in the past. So if we just said maybe $30 to $100. Let's see what we can find. I guess you can do that a different way. Okay. So find products, and then it's going to search for products with that keyword and in that price range. So you can see these cat towers that are listed in here. There's actually quite a few of them, but I know cat towers are something that I've sold in the past with drop shipping. Like this one right here is $54, and I know that I've seen them sell for a lot higher than that on Amazon and eBay for maybe $80, $90, $100. So this is software that's going to help you find your products. The Platinum Elite Center is the upsells, Platinum Campaigns and Resources, Dropshipping Elite Power Training, and Accelerated Profits Program. And then the video tutorials are just what was on the home page. No, I take that back. On the home page, they're giving you a tutorial on the whole back office here. And then the Bankramp training video base is going to be how to find products at dollar store, and more tutorials from Matt on Shopify and Instagram. So there's a lot of different things in here that you can learn on how to drop ship on eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. And I'm not going to click on this, but this is really valuable here. Suppliers and resources. There are 33 different suppliers in here on where you can find, where you can source from to send to your customers. So if you don't know what drop shipping is, it's basically you find a supplier that has a product at a lower price and you sell it for a higher price on these platforms, eBay, Shopify, Amazon, and you keep the profits. And you have to do all the customer service though, as far as sending the product to the customer. So that's basically the back office here of Bankramp, just the basic $37. So I would say the pros of the program are it's low startup cost. And you do have a money-back guarantee because it is a Clickbank product. And this is for people who don't want to do network marketing or affiliate marketing. You don't want to recruit. You don't want to worry about selling so much as far as email marketing and things like that. And they have software to help you find the products. The training videos are very detailed, and I think there is good support. You're able to, right here, write into support. And the products that I've reviewed from Jamie Lewis, I think are high quality products, unlike a lot of products inside of Clickbank. I'll have to say that his are very detailed, very good products. Now these cons are just basically with drop shipping in itself, and I've done a lot of drop shipping. I've done it on eBay, and I've done it on Amazon. I have not done it on Shopify. But there's low profit margins, so in the sales video, when they say this student made $500 in a day, that's not all profit. I mean, you can consider maybe 20% to be a good profit margin. I know right now I'm outsourcing 100% drop shipping on my Amazon store, and a good profit margin right now for me is 10 to 12%, and with cashback we're going for 15%. So I know yesterday I made $269 in sales, and probably only $26 to $30 of that is profit. So when you think that when they say that you made that much, it's not all profit, and the profit margins are low. It is time consuming because you have to find the products, list them, you have to do all the customer service. So when someone purchases a product from you, you have to fulfill the order, send it to the customer, put in the tracking number, and make sure they get their product. And you do have to do customer service, so if they don't get their product, you have to deal with that. If it's out of stock, you have to deal with that. If they have any returns, you have to deal with that. So, and of course you can outsource that, but then you have to deal with employees and if they're doing what they need to do. I'm sure they show you in the course how you can decrease the shipping time, but if you order from AliExpress, it'll be 25 days until the customer gets their product. So you have to make that known that they won't get upset if they're not getting their products right away, because most people are used to getting products like right away, and if they don't get them, they're writing to you like, where's my product? And you do have to have money to purchase the products to send to the customers. So for example, on Amazon you get paid every 2 weeks. So if you sell like let's say $1,000 worth of products in those 2 weeks, you have to be able to pay for those. You know, you have to have the credit to do that, and then when you get paid by Amazon, you can pay off your credit card, but you have to have some startup capital to do that. And if you don't, then you're not going to be scaling up very, very quickly. So those are just some cons of drop shipping. There are plenty of pros to doing it. That's why I have outsourced it, and am doing that myself as a form of just a passive residual income. So that's my review on Bankramp. I do feel it's a good product, but I just wanted to let you know what's all in there and what you're getting with the $37, just to help you make an informed decision. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And again, if you want to learn more about these topics, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, and bonuses that go along with that. That'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.